Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some options which are basic options, I would say. So here we've got visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. And then tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options and here we've got them. So we've got tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. We can also change the time range here, up to you, and then tap on delete data. As you can see, we just got back, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed all of the browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.